Hello, and welcome to the Power BI course on Softclue LMS. I'm excited to have you here, and I want to congratulate you for taking this important step towards building valuable digital and data skills. In today's world, data is everywhere. In businesses, healthcare, education, government, and even our daily lives, Power BI is one of the most powerful tools used globally to turn raw data into clear insights, interactive dashboards, and meaningful stories that support better decision-making. In this course, you will learn how to import and clean data, how to create beautiful and interactive reports, how to build dashboards, and how to use data to answer real-life business questions. Whether you are completely new to data or looking to improve your skills, this class is designed to be simple, practical, and hands-on. You don't need to be a tech expert, just come with curiosity and the willingness to learn. Here at Softclue, we believe that digital skills should be accessible to everyone. Our goal is to empower you with knowledge that can open doors to new opportunities, jobs, and personal growth. So take your time, follow the lessons step by step, practice often, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how learning happens. Once again, welcome to the Power BI class. Let's learn, grow, and build amazing things together.